3. In this video, I will tell you that what is Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, PCOS, how to deal with PCOS, and how PCOS can be overcome with daily exercise. So, let's start. Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, PCOS, is a common hormonal disorder that affects women of reproductive age, characterized by irregular menstrual periods, excess androgen levels, and polycystic ovaries. PCOS can lead to various health issues, including infertility, metabolic syndrome, and psychological distress. Despite its prevalence, PCOS remains underdiagnosed and poorly understood by the general public. This script aims to raise awareness about PCOS, its symptoms, diagnosis, and management, as well as its impact on overall health. Understanding PCOS. 1. What is PCOS? PCOS is a complex endocrine disorder that affects approximately 5 to 10% of women of childbearing age. It is named after the presence of multiple small cysts on the ovaries, which are actually immature follicles containing eggs. However, not all women with PCOS have these cysts, and the presence of cysts alone is not sufficient for a diagnosis. 2. Symptoms of PCOS. PCOS symptoms can vary widely among women, making it challenging to diagnose. Common symptoms include irregular menstrual cycles or absence of menstruation, amenorrhea, excessive hair growth on the face, chest, and back, hirsutism, acne and oily skin, thinning hair or male pattern baldness, weight gain or difficulty losing weight, darkening of the skin, particularly along neck creases, groin, and underneath breasts. Skin tags. 3 causes of PCOS. The exact cause of PCOS is unknown, but several factors are believed to play a role. Genetics. PCOS often runs in families, suggesting a genetic predisposition. Insulin resistance. Many women with PCOS have insulin resistance, which means their bodies do not use insulin effectively, leading to increased insulin levels and androgen production. Hormonal imbalance. Elevated levels of androgens, male hormones, can interfere with the development of eggs and their release during ovulation. Inflammation. Low-grade inflammation has been linked to higher androgen levels in women with PCOS. Diagnosis of PCOS. 1. Diagnostic criteria. PCOS is diagnosed based on the presence of at least 2 of the following 3 criteria, known as the Rotterdam criteria: irregular or absent ovulation, anovulation, elevated androgen levels, hyperandrogenism, detected either through blood tests or clinical signs such as hirsutism and acne. Polycystic ovaries visible on ultrasound. 2. Medical history and physical examination. A comprehensive medical history and physical examination are essential for diagnosing PCOS. Doctors will inquire about menstrual history, weight changes, hair growth patterns, and other symptoms. A physical exam may include measuring body mass index, BMI, blood pressure, and assessing for signs of hirsutism and acne. Laboratory tests ***. Blood tests are performed to measure hormone levels, including androgens, testosterone and DHEAS, luteinizing hormone, LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, fasting glucose and insulin levels, lipid profile to assess cholesterol levels. For pelvic ultrasound. A pelvic ultrasound is used to visualize the ovaries and check for the presence of multiple cysts. However, not all women with PCOS will have polycystic ovaries, and cysts can be present in women without PCOS. Impact of PCOS on health. 1. Reproductive health. PCOS is one of the leading causes of infertility in women. Irregular ovulation or anovulation can make it difficult to conceive. Additionally, women with PCOS are at a higher risk of miscarriage and complications during pregnancy, such as gestational diabetes and preeclampsia. 2. Metabolic health. Insulin resistance and obesity are common in women with PCOS, increasing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and cardiovascular disease. Women with PCOS are also more likely to have metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions that increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. 3. Mental health. PCOS can significantly impact mental health. Women with PCOS are at a higher risk of developing anxiety, depression, and eating disorders. The visible symptoms, such as hirsutism and acne, can lead to body image issues and low self-esteem. Management of PCOS. 1. Lifestyle modifications. Lifestyle changes are the first line of treatment for PCOS and can significantly improve symptoms. Diet. A balanced diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, And plenty of fruits and vegetables can help manage weight and improve insulin sensitivity. Exercise. Regular physical activity, such as aerobic exercise and strength training, can help with weight management and improve insulin sensitivity. Weight loss, even a modest weight loss of 5 to 10% of body weight, can improve symptoms and restore ovulation. 2 medications. Several medications can help manage PCOS symptoms. Hormonal contraceptives. Birth control pills, patches, or rings can regulate menstrual cycles, reduce androgen levels, and improve acne and hirsutism. Metformin. This medication, commonly used to treat type 2 diabetes, can improve insulin sensitivity and help with weight loss and menstrual regularity. Anti-androgens. Medications like spironolactone can reduce hirsutism and acne by blocking the effects of androgens. Fertility treatments. For women trying to conceive, medications such as clomiphene citrate and letrozole can stimulate ovulation. 3 cosmetic treatments. Cosmetic treatments can help manage hirsutism and acne. Hair removal. Methods such as laser hair removal, electrolysis, and depilatory creams can reduce unwanted hair growth. Acne treatments. Topical treatments, oral antibiotics, and hormonal therapies can help manage acne. For psychological support. Given the impact of PCOS on mental health, psychological support is crucial. Counseling, therapy, and support groups can help women cope with the emotional challenges of living with PCOS. Raising awareness and advocacy. One importance of awareness. Raising awareness about PCOS is essential for early diagnosis and effective management. Increased awareness can lead to better understanding, reduced stigma, and improved support for women with PCOS. 2 educational campaigns. Educational campaigns can provide valuable information about PCOS symptoms, diagnosis, and treatment options. Social media, webinars, workshops, and community events can be effective platforms for spreading awareness. 3 advocacy and support. Advocacy efforts can push for better healthcare policies, increased research funding, and improved access to care for women with PCOS. Support groups and online communities can offer a sense of belonging and a platform for sharing experiences and resources. Future directions and research. 1. Ongoing research. Ongoing research is essential for understanding the underlying causes of PCOS and developing more effective treatments. Studies are exploring the genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors that contribute to PCOS, as well as the long-term health implications of the disorder. 2. Personalized medicine. Personalized medicine, which tailors treatment to an individual's genetic makeup and specific symptoms, holds promise for improving PCOS management. Advances in genetic testing and precision medicine could lead to more targeted and effective therapies. 3. Holistic approaches. Holistic approaches that address the physical, emotional, and psychological aspects of PCOS are gaining traction. Integrative medicine, which combines conventional and alternative therapies, can offer comprehensive care for women with PCOS. Best types of exercise to manage PCOS. 1. Aerobic exercise. Activities: brisk walking, running, cycling, swimming, dancing. Benefits: improves cardiovascular health, boosts insulin sensitivity, helps with weight management, and reduces risk factors for metabolic syndrome and cardiovascular disease. 2. Strength training. Activities: weightlifting, resistance band exercises, bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups. Benefits: increases muscle mass, improves metabolism, enhances insulin sensitivity, and aids in weight loss and body composition improvement. 3. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. Activities: alternating short bursts of intense activity with periods of lower-intensity exercise or rest, such as sprinting followed by walking. Benefits: burns more calories in a shorter time, improves cardiovascular fitness, enhances insulin sensitivity, and reduces abdominal fat. 4. Flexibility and mind-body exercises.
Activity: yoga, pilates, tai chi.
Benefits: reduces stress and anxiety, improves flexibility and balance, enhances mental well-being, and can aid in weight management and hormonal balance. 5. Group fitness classes. Activities: Zumba, aerobics, spinning classes, boot camps. Benefits: provides a motivating and social environment, improves cardiovascular fitness, supports weight management, and can be a fun way to stay active. Exercise recommendations for women with PCOS. Frequency. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week, combined with 2 or more days of strength training. Consistency. Regular and consistent exercise is key to managing PCOS symptoms effectively. Combination. A mix of aerobic exercise, strength training, and flexibility exercises can provide comprehensive benefits. Customization. Tailor the exercise routine to individual preferences, fitness levels, and any medical advice from healthcare providers. Incorporating these types of exercises into a regular fitness routine can significantly help in managing PCOS symptoms and improving overall health outcomes. Lastly, exercise is a powerful tool in managing Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, PCOS. It significantly improves insulin sensitivity, aids in weight management, reduces androgen levels, and restores menstrual regularity and ovulation. Types of exercise beneficial for PCOS include aerobic activities, strength training, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, and flexibility exercises like yoga. Regular physical activity not only addresses the metabolic and reproductive aspects of PCOS, but also enhances mental well-being. Incorporating a consistent and balanced exercise routine can lead to substantial improvements in managing PCOS symptoms and overall health. Thank you for your support.